Nestled between the beauty of Calgary and Edmonton, there's a company making waves in tech and security. Introducing Starfixx Technologies. Imagine a Sunday evening where you're enveloped in cinema-grade audio, thanks to a home theater installed to perfection. From TV and home audio installations to keeping your home safe with top-notch security systems, we've got the residential scene covered. And for multifamily properties, security cameras, access control, intercoms, and even parking management solutions. Businesses, we haven't forgotten you. Whether it's dazzling displays or the feeling of safety with our security solutions, Starfixx has you covered. For our Golden Years communities, we've got wander and fall management solutions because technology should cater to every age with dignity and care. And for our healthcare heroes, say goodbye to chaos, infant protection, asset management, staff workflow, and more. Starfixx is your silent tech partner, ensuring everything runs smoothly. At Starfixx, it's not just about technology, it's about integration, seamlessly weaving top-tier tech into the fabric of your spaces. Residential, commercial, healthcare, or senior living, we've got a custom and affordable solution tailored just for you. And while we're all about serious tech, we're never too serious about ourselves. Professionalism with a pinch of wit. That's the Starfixx way. Starfixx Technologies, integrating today's tech for a brighter, safer tomorrow.